High drama broke out late last night outside a strong room in Kolkata. The face-off between TMC and BJP escalated after TMC leaders claimed that attempts were being made to tamper with the EVMs. Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, visited a strong room and issued a strong warning. Listen in.
एजेंट को इतना अरेस्ट किया, इतना वन साइडेड हुआ, उसका बाद भी अगर ऐसा ईवीएम मशीन को लूट करने के लिए, अगर काउंटिंग लूट करने के लिए कोई कोशिश करे, तो हम जिंदगी मत एक करता नहीं।
And we have some breaking inputs, viewers, coming in at this point in time. In fact, what we are seeing is storm continuing over the strong rooms. Now, TMC leaders are present at strong rooms in different parts of West Bengal. Shashi Panja after Kunal Ghosh. In fact, what we have learned is that Shashi Panja is currently at Netaji Indoor Strong Room. We have a reaction coming in from Kunal Ghosh as well. Listen in to what he told us earlier.
No, because our leader, Mamata Banerjee, an instruction from Mamata Banerjee that every candidate and every agents and our workers, they have to monitor the process. And now what they done yesterday, so we apprehend anything may happen anytime. We are confident about our win. Mamata Banerjee is going to win the election with a huge majority. But this monitoring is very much necessary. And ये आप देखिए फोर्ट बना दिया है, अभी पूरा फोर्ट बना दिया। लेकिन ऐसा है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन तो पूरा भाजपा के लिए कम कर रहा है, तो बाहर में फोर्ट है, लेकिन अंदर में इसी का जो पब्लिक है, जो आदमी है, वो तो भाजपा का तरफ ही कम करेंगे, भाजपा के लिए कम करेंगे। इसीलिए हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा मॉनिटरिंग, काल जो सीसीटीवी का काल जो स्क्रीन में मूवमेंट था, स्पेसिफिकली हम वो देखने आए थे, वो मूवमेंट किस जगह पे है।
And joining us on the broadcast right now are my colleagues tracking the developments very, very closely. We have Ridhita as well as Shivam joining us live right now. Ridhita, to you first. What we are witnessing is showdown over strong rooms. Firstly, for the benefit of our viewers, help us understand what exactly is happening across various strong rooms in West Bengal. Who is present where from the TMC?
Well, absolutely. Today morning we were there live from the Shekhawat Memorial, where yesterday night Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had been sitting over midnight, also past midnight she had been sitting over, and that is the Bhawanipur constituency's counting center in the South Kolkata region. Now, however, if I ask my camera person to show you the visual, this is the North constituency counting centers. This is the Netaji Indoor Stadium, and here today morning we have been seeing the Beleghata candidate Kunal Ghosh being present here first. He had come to check the CCTVs after yesterday night's night-long protest that had been happening. Also, now at this point, Shashi Panja, who is the Shampukur constituency, has reached the area, and she is also going to witness and take a check upon the CCTV footages. Remember this, not the Netaji Indoor Stadium here, the 7 assembly constituencies of the North Kolkata counting will be happening, and yesterday where the protest was happening was near the Khudiram Anushilon, which is just 50 meters away, and it is the strong room, and it is that very strong room from where trespassing incident had been heard, and that Trinamool Congress has been talking about, and after which we have seen the CEO also taking a report to it and stating that no such incident has happened, and over his X handle he has made a post about it. However, the Trinamool Congress's Beleghata candidate Kunal Ghosh, while speaking to Times Now, has denied the claim, stating that might be the TV inside, the CCTVs inside and the TV which is projected outside do not have proper connection, and now the question is being raised upon what kind of links are established here, as Kunal Ghosh goes on to saying that once the DO had reached here, she had accepted the claims of the trespassing, and says that admission to that that has happened by the DO, stating that there has been some miscommunication and hence it will be taken care of in the next term. However, from the morning today in South Kolkata, also heavy deployment outside the Shekhawat Memorial School has been seen, and also in Netaji Indoor Stadium, one after another Trinamool Congress candidates are coming and checking the CCTVs, as the time limit is till 4 p.m. today. Right.
Stay on with us, Rudita. Shivam, I'll come to you in just a bit. In fact, viewers, on the other hand, West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer Manoj Kumar Agarwal denied all charges levelled by the Trinamool Congress and assured that all strongholds are sealed and there is enough safety that's there. He has made it clear that the Chief Minister, who is contesting from Bhabanipur, is not a candidate in any of the 7 seats under Kolkata North. As per the rules, she is therefore not permitted to visit the strong room or counting related areas linked to other seats. Listen in.
8 districts गए हैं, 142 सीट्स गई है वोटिंग के लिए. जो पोस्टल बैलेट्स हुए हैं इनको डिवाइड करना पड़ता है जिस जिस सीट पे है और डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज. जो आज टाइम फिक्स किया 4 बजे करने के लिए, एंड आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट इलेक्शन ऑफिसर ने मेल करी ऑल द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को, मेल करी आरओ को कि आप लोग जो कैंडिडेट एजेंट है आ सकता है यहाँ पे एज पर रूल. आरओ ने भी सबको बताया, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को बताया, कैंडिडेट्स को बताया. आपको 4 बजे तक आ सकते थे, आप आपके सामने खुलता वो रूम. 4 बजे तक नहीं आया तो उन्होंने रूम खोल लिया. रूम खोल के निकाल के वो सेग्रीगेट कर रहे थे. बाहर जो सीसीटीवी लगाया, जहां पे आपका बाहर जो है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का कोई भी आदमी बैठ सकता है जिस समय तक स्टोरेज होती है, जिस समय तक काउंटिंग खत्म होती है. बाहर जो बैठे थे सीसीटीवी से उन्होंने देखा कुछ हलचल चल रही है. एक रूम खुला है और कुछ लोग निकाल रहे हैं. वो पोस्टल बैलेट का रूम था, ठीक है. उनको काम करना था. 4 बजे तक कोई नहीं आया, इसलिए काम उनको 4 बजे स्टार्ट करना है. उसके बाद जब काम कर रहे थे उसके बीच में जो है हलचल सुन के 2 कैंडिडेट आए, एक इलेक्शन एजेंट आया. उन्होंने कहा ये क्या हो रहा है, देख लिया. उन्होंने स्ट्रांग रूम जहां पे उनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी का वो रखा हुआ है ईवीएम, वो देख लिया, पूरा सील्ड है, जैसे सील्ड था वैसे ही है. वो लोग चले गए. उसके बाद जो है हम लोग जो है हल्ला गुल्ला मचा था, ये हो गया वो हो गया. उसके बाद जो है सब एक्सप्लेनेशन हो गया, वहाँ ठीक हो गया, सब चले गए. और हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ताकि एकदम क्लियर रहे.
So an important clarification there coming in from West Bengal CEO, who made it absolutely clear that this time there was time given for this process, and in fact District Election Commission officials in fact had sent emails to all political parties as well as to the returning officers, informing them that candidate agents are permitted to be present in accordance with the rules. And now we have some more breaking inputs coming in. Now the mail trail before mayhem has been accessed, as we just heard from Mr. Manoj Kumar Agarwal, the West Bengal CEO. Political parties, in fact, were alerted by EC via an email. And the claim is that the parties were informed in advance. Postal ballot segregation, was supposed to happen on time, and all the political parties were given emails in advance. And EC, in fact, had told them about the entire process and also the time. And candidates were asked to be present as well. Pratibha, my colleague, is now joining us live from the newsroom. Pratibha, take us through what exactly is mentioned in the email that was sent to the political parties by EC.
So, Hina, there has been a big face-off with Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee also going to the spot. She was there for about 3 to 4 hours, and the question that had been raised by the TMC was that even if there was segregation, they were not informed about it. Now, the EC has issued a clarification. They said that this was segregation of the postal ballots, and here is the image that shows that the Election Commission did in fact send out a notice to all the political parties. Here are the details. It says very clearly here, segregation of postal ballots at district strong rooms on the 30th of April. So the date has been given. The segregation of postal ballots will be taking place. That is given. And it says, please find the attachment. The district election officer from Kolkata North District giving out this mail. And here it is. For the details on who all have been informed, every single party from the BJP, CPM, the Congress, the Trinamool Congress, all of these leaders, all of these parties have also tagged in this. So, Hina, the clarification coming in from the Election Commission is that we had already given intimation to all the political parties. They were well aware of it, and they had been told in detail that there would be segregation of postal ballots on the 30th of April. So it didn't come as a surprise. The Election Commission saying that we informed every single political party about the same. This is the process that is followed. They were informed about it. So this entire controversy that has been leveled, that has been started off, is completely baseless, Hina.
Right. Pratibha, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on the story. Let me go back to my colleagues Ridhita as well as Shivam for more on this. Shivam, a clear response there coming in from the Election Commission. But despite that, we saw high drama late last night.
Exactly, Nanda. The fact that the Election Commission had to do a press conference, urgent press conference at 11:30 in the night, almost midnight, the Chief Electoral Officer is coming out and clarifying everything which was already on paper, which was already on record. The mail was already sent. It all happened after almost 4 hours when Mamata Banerjee was still inside the strong room of her particular constituency. She left around 12:10, but she arrived around 8. So for 4 hours, she was sitting inside the strong room. She was guarding. When she came out, she also addressed the press conference, addressed the press people there, and she also basically clarified that earlier she was not being allowed, but then she has the authority to go there, to check there. But according to the CEO, he also explicitly mentioned that the timing was given. It's not like you can anytime come and visit. Yes, you can be sure of that. But when the segregation happened, that is a deadline of 4 p.m. That is a time when everybody was invited. Not just Trinamool Congress, not just BJP, but other independent candidates as well as other parties also whose name were mentioned. These are the procedures that happened, not just first time in Bengal, but this is what is happening in Bengal for a long time, since the independence, since the elections are going on, and it happens in almost every state. So this is the major procedure, and all the people, especially the who are repeated MLAs, repeated candidates,
right,
they know about the process. So even after the process, knowing about the process, if certain these political messages being carried out, especially through the 9-minute long video where Mamata Banerjee has also said to her workers that you need to guard the strong room, is something that slightly shows the panic, especially after the exit poll. This is what at least the BJP
panic?
is predicting.
Is it a sign of desperation, or there is more than what meets the eye? I mean, that remains to be seen. But what we are witnessing right now is a war of words on this issue. Shivam as well as Ridhita, requesting both of you to please stay on with us. We have now reactions coming in from the Trinamool Congress as well. Listen in to how the TMC responded to the email twist that has now emerged.
तो ये जो खबर आप दे रहे कि मेल में कि आप लोग आइए, और हम लोग बोल रहे हमारे लोग वहाँ खड़े हैं, संपर्क नहीं हुआ। अगर मान लीजिए संपर्क नहीं हुआ, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है, तो आप स्ट्रांग रूम खोले क्यों? आप तो खबर दे सकते हैं, डीओ है, आरओ है, खबर दीजिए, हम लोग खबर लेके आते हैं। फिर हम लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि ये हम लोग को जानकारी क्यों नहीं है? देयर आर लूप होल्स इन द सिस्टम। ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए। ये स्वच्छ लग रहा है या स्वच्छ?
हर एक स्ट्रांग रूम के बाहर सीसीटीवी फुटेज का वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है, आप भी जाके देख सकते हैं। तो उधर का वीडियो है, ऑफिशियल है उधर का वीडियो। हमारी तरफ से कोई वीडियो उठाया नहीं, क्योंकि हमको तो अंदर जाना माना है। तो इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से जो वीडियो फुटेज, सीसीटीवी का वीडियो फुटेज स्क्रीन में दिखाया जा रहा है, वो हमने शेयर किया। तो वो अगर फेक होगा तो इलेक्शन कमीशन ही फेक निकलेगा। तो ये सब बात करने में फायदा क्या है?
And we have some more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time. In fact, the Bharatiya Janata Party has dismissed all the allegations. BJP netas are saying that the allegations are baseless. BJP has accused the TMC of spreading rumors in anticipation of defeat, and BJP netas have asserted that strong rooms were under strict multi-layered security. Listen in.
From tonight, I will deploy two from my N2 person and Santosh Pathak, candidate of Chorongi. He will also deploy 2% to look after the strong room.
There's been tampering in the strong room.
This is a rumor, nothing else. This cannot be done. They are actually making certain preparation because they are going to lose. That is why this type of rumor they are spreading. This can, three layer security arrangements are here. They can actually stay over there. They can watch.
चोर मचाए शोर और कुछ नहीं है. देखिए पूरा जो यहाँ पे सिस्टम है, हर कुछ सीसीटीवी कैमरा के अंदर है. इवन स्ट्रांग रूम के बाहर अंदर सब जगह सीसीटीवी कैमरा लगे हुए हैं. तो क्या चीज की घबराहट है? और उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव तो बाहर बैठे ही हैं. ये पहला इलेक्शन तो लड़ नहीं रहा तृणमूल, कई इलेक्शन लड़े हैं, प्रोसेस पूरा पता ही है. तो इस तरह से बच्चों की तरह ये हरकतें जो दिखा रहे हैं, इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं, घबराहट है और कुछ नहीं.
देखिए, जो चुनाव हारने वाला होता है वो हार के बहाने पहले ही तलाश रहा है. ममता बनर्जी चुनाव हार चुकी हैं. सारे एग्जिट पोल बता रहे हैं कि टीएमसी का बड़ा साफ हो गया है. स्ट्रांग रूम पर जाके ड्रामा करना, धरना देना, क्योंकि वो बाद की कहानी लिख रही है. उनको लग रहा है कि जब चुनाव हारेंगे तो बाद में क्या क्या इल्ज़ाम लगाना है, इसलिए इस तरह का काम कर रही हैं. ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. जब वो सत्ता में आई तो बीजेपी जब नहीं जीती थी उसने स्वीकार किया था. अब ममता जी को अपनी हार स्वीकार कर लेनी चाहिए. 4 तारीख के बाद कोई ड्रामा चलने वाला नहीं है.
And viewers, amid strong room showdown, we are getting another reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP scathing attack on TMC. BJP saying 2026 polls marked a clear departure from how the elections used to happen earlier. In fact, we have a post coming in from Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which we are just going to bring to you on your screens. Amit Malviya of the BJP, in fact, has said that elections in West Bengal have historically been marred by political violence and election-related killings, but the 2026 Assembly elections marked a clear departure. So this is the long post that has been put out by Amit Malviya of the BJP. He says this was arguably the most peaceful electoral cycle in the state's entire history. The atmosphere on the ground allowed voters to step out without any kind of fear or intimidation. The result was evident, one of the highest voter turnouts in the recent times. When people are free from coercion, democracy truly reflects, in fact, this is what he has said. Democracy, he has said, truly reflects the will of the electorate. So this is the reaction coming in from Amit Malviya of the BJP.